Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make vegetable soup easy. First, let's get organized. You'll want to gather about 2 cups of your favorite mixed vegetables, such as carrots, celery, and potatoes. Make sure to chop them into roughly 1-inch pieces so they cook evenly. Also, have 4 cups of good quality vegetable broth and your preferred seasonings like salt, pepper, and a pinch of herbs ready to go. This simple preparation makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. Now that your ingredients are prepped, let's get cooking. Heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil in a large pot or Dutch oven over medium heat. Once warm, add your chopped onions and minced garlic, sautéing them for about 3 minutes until they become fragrant and slightly softened. Next, stir in your prepared mixed vegetables. Cook these for another 5 minutes, allowing them to start softening and absorbing some of those lovely aromatic flavors. This step builds a great flavor base. With your vegetables nicely sautéed, it's time to add the liquid. Carefully pour in the 4 cups of vegetable broth, making sure all the vegetables are submerged. Bring the soup to a gentle boil, then immediately reduce the heat to low, covering the pot. Let it simmer for about 15 to 20 minutes, or until your vegetables are perfectly tender when pierced with a fork. This slow simmer allows all the flavors to meld beautifully, creating a rich and comforting soup. Your delicious homemade vegetable soup is almost ready. Before serving, give it a taste and adjust the seasonings as needed. You might want a little more salt, pepper, or a dash of your favorite herbs. Ladle the hot soup into bowls and garnish with some fresh parsley or cilantro for a pop of color and extra flavor. Serve it alongside some warm, crusty bread for a truly comforting and complete meal. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.